Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.2 question number 7. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is 4:7, find the ratio of their volumes. Here, radius of sphere 1 equal 4. The radius of sphere 2 equal 7. Now, volume of sphere 1 by volume of sphere 2. Volume of sphere 1 is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube over 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi cut. Then r1 is 4 cube, r2 is 7 cube. Now, therefore, volume of sphere 1 ratio volume of sphere 2, that is V1 ratio V2 equal 4 cube is 64, 7 cube is 343. Now, question number 8. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface area. Prove that the ratio of their volumes is 3√3 ratio 4. Here, the solid sphere and solid hemisphere have the equal total surface area. Therefore, sphere ratio hemisphere that is here TSA, total surface area of sphere, and TSA of hemisphere equal total surface area, that is here 4 pi r1 squared ratio 3 pi r2 square. Now we can get it 4 pi and pi both side cut, and we have 4 r1 squared ratio 3 r2 square. Now from that we write r1 squared by r2 square equal, by cross multiplying, 3 over 4, which gives r1 by r2 is square root of, because r1 square r2 square is given, square root of 3, square root of 4 is 2. Now the volume, therefore volume ratio, let it be V1 ratio V2. V1 is volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r2 cube. 3 and 3 cut, and then 2 cut here but put here. pi also cut. So 2r1 cube and r2 cube. Therefore, volume ratio is V1 ratio V2 equal 2 into R1 is root 3 cube ratio R2 is 2 cube. That is root 3 cube is 3 into 3 is 3, 3 root 3, 6 root 3. No, not 6 root 3. Then 4 by 3 here. R1 is root 3. Root 3 cube is their volume ratio is here 2 root 3 cube is 3 into 3, 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3 and 6 root 3 ratio 8. Then divide by 2 both side. 6 root 3 ratio can be divided by same number both side. Then it gives 3 root 3 ratio 4. Their volume ratio is 3 root 3 4, hence proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.